changed the oil in the rear, changed over and under oil. Hydraulic oil was changed, and I tried it out on some of my equipment, and these Pioneer fittings are all leaking. They've been sitting here dripping. You can see it's all wet, so I need to get new fittings for there. Need to replace these Pioneer remotes that were leaking. O-ring inside's tore and it's leaking out, dripping everywhere. Those are still leaking. I gotta go get 2 more of those from Tractor Supply, but these are supposedly the connect under pressure ones, which anybody's had an Oliver and a White, you know, they like to keep pressure on them. So we're gonna try these versus getting the ones with the lever on there that shuts them on and off. I kind of wanted to get those, but we're gonna try these first. Somebody already had a disconnect under pressure one on there and put them on there. So I don't know the whole story behind this tractor, but as nasty as that thing is, and it looks like it don't quite. Let's see if I get it to pull back. That's probably why it was replaced, because I can't get it to move. So we're going to upgrade and see if these actually work, and see if why he replaced these was because they were stuck or they didn't work out, or I don't know. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see me work more on this tractor. So far it's needed a little bit of work, but for a tractor from 1977 with who knows how much has been done to it, it's been pretty good so far. So let me know what you think of the White 2105 and if you use one on your farm, and have a good evening.